Hello everyone, welcome to Yellow Pages Nursing. In today's video, we will be discussing about drug calculations, converting ml per hour to milligram per kilogram per hour. Before entering into the session, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive instant notifications. Let's get into the topic. Calculating mg per kg per hour is important because many medications, especially IV drugs, are prescribed based on a patient's body weight. If we only look at ml per hour, we don't actually know how much drug the patient is receiving per kilogram of body weight. And hence, this formula helps to identify doses depending on patient's body weight. ml per hour alone doesn't show actual drug per kilogram. It also helps prevent medication errors and ensure safe and accurate dosing. Now, how to convert ml per hour to mg per kg per hour? By using a simple formula, mg per kg per hour is equal to dose in milligram multiplied by infusion rate in ml per hour divided by total volume in ml multiplied by weight in kilogram. Let's do an example for more clarity. A 79.4 kilogram male client is prescribed aminophylline 400 milligram in 500 ml to be infused at 50 ml per hour. How do we calculate? So, recalling the formula, milligram per kg per hour is equal to dose in mg multiplied by infusion rate in ml per hour divided by total volume in ml multiplied by weight in kilogram. As per the question, here the dose of aminophylline is 400 milligram and it is running at the infusion rate of 50 ml per hour. Total volume of aminophylline to be infused is 500 ml and weight of the patient is 79.4 kilogram. So putting all of them in the formula, we get 400 multiplied by 50 divided by 500 multiplied by 79.4, which is equal to 20,000 divided by 39,700, which gives the answer 0.50. And hence, the amount of aminophylline infused is equal to zero point 0.5 milligram per kilogram per hour. Compared to other complicated formulas, this is a very simple formula which involves only one step. All we have to remember is applying the values in proper place and doing the calculation. Let's jump into the next formula, how to convert ml per hour to microgram per kg per minute. In previous formula, we converted ml per hour to mg per kg per hour, and this will be converting to microgram per kg per minute. So the formula is microgram per kg per minute is equal to dose in microgram multiplied by infusion rate in ml per hour divided by total volume in ml multiplied by weight in kilogram multiplied by time in minutes. The only difference between the other formula and this is we are adding time in minutes in denominator because the formula needs the calculation of microgram per kg per minute. Let's get more clarity by doing an example. A 70 kilogram patient is receiving noradrenaline 4 milligram in 50 ml. The infusion is running at 12 ml per hour. Calculate the dose in microgram per kg per minute. Recalling the formula, microgram per kg per minute is equal to dose in microgram multiplied by infusion rate in ml per hour divided by total volume in ml multiplied by weight in kilogram multiplied by time in minutes. So as per the question, the dose of noradrenaline here is 4 milligram. In order to convert this into microgram, we are multiplying 4 into 1000, which gives 4000 microgram. And the infusion rate of noradrenaline is 12 ml per hour. The total volume to be infused is 50 ml. Weight of the patient is 70 kilogram and time in minutes will be 60. So applying all in the formula, we get 4000 multiplied by 12 divided by 50 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 60, which gives 48,000 divided by 2 lakh 10,000. And the answer will be 0.228, and we round it about to 0.23. And hence the answer is noradrenaline will be running at the rate of 0.23 microgram per kg per minute. Here are a few examples for your practice. First is a 82 kilogram male client is prescribed aminophylline 400 milligram in 500 ml to be infused at 60 ml per hour. Calculate the dose in milligram per kg per hour. The second example is a 80 kilogram patient is receiving noradrenaline 4 milligram in 50 ml. The infusion is running at 10 ml per hour. Calculate the dose in microgram per kg per minute. You can do the calculations and mention the answers in the comment box. So here you go with the drug calculation. If you find the video useful, please like it, share it, and subscribe it, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive instant notifications. Thanks for watching and have